back to my sparkling spirit. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for reviewing my videos. Well, today is a very important one, and this is to discuss the 21 Days of Beauty by Ulta.
This is a 21 day of sale prices on high-end or drugstore products of up to 50% off.
If you have not subscribed to the Ulta emails, I would urge you guys to go to the Ulta website from your phone, download the app, or go to the Ulta website from your desktop and sign up for their emails. This is one of Ulta's biggest events in a year. And for 21 days, they will offer products per day, about 3 to 4 products that will go on a sale price. It's generally about half off. What they also have are mini events. What mini events are, it's not like a mini event, but this is where they have mini size or trial size packets of the products that would be available. Now, there are some good brands in here, and it's a great way to experiment with some of the products that you might have heard about or seen other people use it. So go to Ulta and get some of these and try them out. A quick call out, the daily products or the products they put out daily are only going to be available for that day. After that, they will not be available at that sale price. So yes, for the next 21 days, keep it on your schedule to go to the Ulta website or the Ulta app and check out what products are going to be on a good steal price. You can also check out all the products at the same time by going to the Ulta website and see which products are going to be on sale on which days. There's also another thing to point out. They also have some products which are on hot buys, and what these are also some good branded products, but they are available on a discounted price every day for the next 21 days. So unlike the 21 Days of Beauty, they do not expire per day, and any day you can go and buy them for the next 21 days only. I hope I explained that clearly. If not, I would invite you to go to the Ulta website and check it out for yourself. And if you are a makeup junkie like I am, this is what you would do. I have circled some of the products that I'm really interested in buying, and I'm going to put those on my phone calendar and get them. There's 2 ways to get them, obviously. I can go to the Ulta store and buy them, which will make me buy some additional stuff too, but it also makes me walk a little bit in the store, so if you want to count that as your exercise, be my guest. The second option is, of course, to buy them online. Now, if you shop online, you do know that there is a shipping cost, and for Ulta too, there is a huge shipping cost of $5.95 unless you bundle up a few products that you've selected, and then the shipping can be free. Please go check it out. Maybe you can include some of the hot buy products or the mini products and get yourself started into your makeup journey. That's it, everyone. That's all I got today. I did not want you guys to miss out on this great event by Ulta. Make sure you check them out, and while you're at it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and also share a comment or 2 of what products you ended up buying from this Ulta 21 Days of Beauty event. Thanks everyone for watching.
And remember, keep it sparkling out there.